It's tummy time with Mason and Chloe. Hey, Mason. Hey. You like being on your belly? You like the tummy time? Oh, look at you holding your head up. Look at Chloe wagging her tail against the bed. Hey, how you doing? No, Chloe. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Lifting your head up like a big boy. Oh no, are you trying to crawl? It's too early for that. Yeah. Oh, are you going to turn over on your back? You're okay. There's Miss Sally in the back by herself. But up here we got Mason. No, girl, stay back. Stay back. Stay. Allie, stay back. Oh, girls want to get in your face. Oh, and here he goes. He's going to turn over. Oh, what you doing? Okay. All right. Stop. Come on, you can do it. Okay.